Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays and I'm really excited, so let's jump right into it, guys. Okay, so we have a couple of beautiful days over here where I live in Pennsylvania, and I'm going to take advantage of that. So we're going to set up a cozy table for two on my porch. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you guys. Make sure and click that red button that says subscribe and then double click on the bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together, and I'll see you at the end. Guys, I thought this would be a good time to tell you that I do have a second channel, and it's called Simply Grace Lifestyle, and that is also another lifestyle channel, so I would love for you to head on over there and support me there. So yeah, guys. I don't know if you've seen this check pattern in the gray and white. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't get enough of decorating with it. Okay, now the charger came from Hobby Lobby, and as I said, the placemats and the dishware, that came from the Dollar Tree. The tablecloth is thrifted, and then the runner in the back with the glitter, that came from Hobby Lobby. And then the background, what I call a centerpiece, that I DIY. the utensils and that sleeve and the wrap I have around it that came from Dollar Tree, and the napkins were thrifted. And I'm absolutely loving the way I tied these napkins. I'm learning from you guys. Okay, so the candles are lit. Everything looks nice, cozy, and romantic. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think everything turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.